roots, it go down like that.
So the root. Oh, like that. I didn't know you planted the whole onion like that. Oh wow. Look at this. Y'all see this? Give me that. Yeah.
You see it start to grow already, look. You see?
Yeah. So you leaving it where? In the refrigerator?
Yeah, I'm also, after giving them away, I went away and I put them in the fridge. You're not going to have them in the fridge.
Oh, okay.
Certain things you're not supposed to have in the fridge. I put them there, I wasn't thinking.
Oh, you know, you put the whole thing in. I didn't even know that. Okay. And onions, and you don't plant the onions in season at any time they could grow, right?
Yeah, certain things grow on.